there everyone, this is Melissa from DJ Event Planner. Today we're covering the changelog topics from June 1st through June 29th, 2020. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. First, let's go to an event in our account, then to the Email tab. Choose an email template, and on the Compose Email page, click on the ESignature button. The software will now check to see if ESignature links are valid for stored documents, document templates in the Select ESignature list, and links generated by the ESignature link merge tag. We have added an option for currency format for the Czech koruna. Currency formats can be found by going to Setup, Application, General. We've added a new data cleaner that allows you to manually set the starting number for invoices. Please go to Setup, Data Cleaner, Event-Based, and Invoice Number. This allows you to increase the numbers. You will see your current invoice number listed here. Do not add a new setting number lower than your current invoice number because decreasing them would allow you to overlap, causing numbering errors. Under Reports, Export Data, we've added a new report for saved documents. Look for the Stored Documents heading. Under Event Planning, Timelines, the timeline content and headers are now merge tag enabled. You can see this in our testing timeline where the headers include merge tags for event type, first and last name, event date, location, and state. When viewed in the event, you can see the changes under the Planning tab and in the Client portal. Next, go to Website Tools, Client Portal, Settings, Features. We've added a new setting to hide the timeline in the Client portal if no timeline is assigned to the event. Now navigate to an event in your account. On the Planning tab, in the Permissions accordion, permissions now give more detailed explanations as to why they are not visible in the Client portal. Next, go to Website Tools, Request Information Form. We've added a few new settings for the request information form. We've added a new setting that allows you to send an SMS system notification when someone submits a request for information. And we have added a new setting that requires a valid upcoming date to be passed to the request for information form. Enabling this will cut down on spammy form submissions for the request for information form. In the third edition, we've added a new anti-spam setting called Advanced Form Validation. This will add a hidden field to your forms with a unique ID number exclusive to your account. If you are using a custom form, you will need to update your form on your website. This feature stops bots from directly submitting forms. We've added new anti-spam settings to the request information form. You now have the choice to enable or disable checking the IP blacklist, browser language, and the first and last name for spam-like behavior. Now on to the changes that have taken place in this time period. We've added planning form question numbers to make identification easier for configuration by administrators and support staff. The past due payments report found under Financials, then Payments, changed from Booked Event Status Values to Financials Event Status Values. We've also made other minor UI improvements to the page. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, June 1st through June 29th, 2020. Please note any continued changes and improvements to our beta features. As always, you can find the latest updates to our change log by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can now view the change log in full window view by clicking on View the Change Log option.